Hey guys, quick video on how you're gonna pair your Dell monitor with a smartphone. So how to do it is like really simple. You want to first open Dell Mobile Connect application on your computer. So first you want to download it. And you want to download the Mobile Connect. And now when you're going to download the Mobile Connect, then you're gonna have, if you're opening application for the first time, you're presented. So first you're just gonna install the app, so connect your phone to PC, and what you need to do, you need to scan the QR code. So you're gonna find the QR code, and then you just have to, when you're gonna have the QR code, you just have to scan it, and you're gonna have options to connect the PC on your phone, and also the camera access and everything like that. So tap below if permission request access the camera. So you're just gonna move through it, then you're gonna scan the QR code, then you're just gonna go for allow access contact. So it's going to ask you for things to allow. And then when you're gonna do it, so tap pair to your smartphone with the computer, and then you're just gonna pair it. And you got it, and you will have it. That's how simple it is. So hope this video helped you on what you need to do, and then you can just use the app. So have a great day.